Okay guys, in this tutorial we're gonna talk about hash maps, or as they call them in some other programming languages, dictionaries. So they are very easy to understand. In them we're gonna have bunch of pairs, and those pairs will consist of course, left and right side. So left side will be some key, and on the right side we're gonna have like some value, some string, like Michael. Also on the left side you can have also string, like key, let's say, and on the right side some kind of value. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. They're like small database, very simple one. So first thing first, we must activate that option in Java. So import Java utilities, and we will demand HashMap. So now when we have it prepared, we can use it. How? Well, HashMap, and key will be string as a data type, and also string will be value. So new, again HashMap, and again silly stuff, string and string as a data type, and normal parentheses, and there you go, we have a hash. Actually I don't have it because I didn't name it. That's extremely stupid, but there you go. People. So we're gonna have small database of people. Okay, let's put something in that small dictionary. So people dot, what is a method? Method is put. And now we do need to put something for key, which will be, for example, some country from where that man or woman are. For example, Alabama, and someone will be, for example, Monica. Okay, so let me run this code. Of course, nothing will be printed on in console because we do have data, but we are not using it. Also, let's grab another stuff. People.put, and again, for left side for key, we're gonna have Arizona, and on the right side there will be John. And of course, key must be string, so double quotes. Okay. And again, people.method put, and the key will be Idaho. Hopefully I typed that correctly, and person name will be Samantha. Right. Okay, let me test this with one run. Nice. Well, how we are going to get Monica, that is from Alabama, when we use Alabama as a key? Well, in some kind of bigger operation. So system.out.println, and now what is the target? People, dictionary, and we're gonna use method get, and now we need to target specific key. Key is Alabama, and that is a string. Okay, don't forget double quotes. So yeah, now down there we're gonna see Monica as a result. So that's very simple query. How to say this? Query? I think query, just like in a normal database, like MySQL, SQLite, Postgres. Yeah. Okay, so this is how we are going to get stuff. Get by getty. Get by key. That will be on the left side, of course, always. So how we are going to get number of elements in this dictionary? Well, number of elements, or pairs, or hash size, whatever. So system.out.println, what is a target? People, and what is a method? Well, size, without of course any kind of parameters, they are not needed, and the result will be 3 because we do have 3 pairs, but it is nice to have some kind of information what this thing is. Hash size plus real stuff, and now we have like a explanation. Well, how we are going to list all of them one after another? Okay, we're gonna use for loop to get all pairs for each, basically. So for, what is a data type? String. Let's use x here as an abstract pair here when we run into it. And what is the target? People. Dot, and method is a key, lowercase key, set. So this is a method, so parentheses. Now, what are we going to do with that? Well, pretty much we're just going to print stuff. My favorite piece of code in Java that I hate with a passion. So on the left side we're gonna have like a little bit of explanation what this thing is. We're gonna concatenate that with key, and then we're gonna concatenate that with get method for that specific x. So people is a target, people a dot. So just like here, we are going to use method get for every individual x when we run into it in a for each loop. And I think this will work. Run, and ugly result. We do have a result, but these things are concatenated, which is kinda stupid. So plus and a little bit of space here, and the run. And a better option will be to have some kind of arrow, it's maybe self-explanatory or something. There you go. Monica, Idaho. So how we are going to delete, for example, this pair, last one, or any, actually it's not important which one. When you have key, you can easily delete it. So again, people, let me describe this. Remove pair, and people is target, people, and method will be remove. I'm not inventing these methods, they're like built into programming language, okay, so I don't invent them. There are slight differences between programming languages, but most of them will have a same name for methods that will do specific jobs. So what I was about, I wanna delete this pair. So how I'm gonna achieve that? Well, targeting Idaho, and of course nothing will be on a screen because I do have typo and I am not using printing. So now when I grab, well, where is that line? Let me type that. System.out.println, and I will just say people. Without get, we don't need it because we wanna list everything. Okay, run, and there you go, we have Alabama and Arizona with corresponding values, Monica and John. So that's how you remove stuff. Okay, can you delete all of them? Sure, with a well-known method in programming languages, clear. Just like clear screen, now we are going to clear elements. So clear all pairs or elements. Pairs. Did I type that nicely? Pairs. I don't know. So people dot clear, clear, and I'm gonna steal this line. I'm gonna put it down there to confirm that we do have empty dictionary. There you go, empty dictionary. So if this is confusing, there is really no need to torture yourself to remember everything, because just try to understand generic principle. So first, to use something, you need to import it if it's complicated, like linked lists, array lists, hash maps, and so on. So once when you activate it, let's say, then we can use it, but you must be precise about data types. You must have a name for it. Then on the right side, don't forget again data types and arrows and normal parentheses. When we work with hash maps, we're gonna use put method to put pairs. We must have it under the double quotes because we're talking about strings. And then to get specific pair, we're gonna target key. So left side are keys, right side are values. And if you wanna grab how big this thing is as a dictionary, then just apply .size method without any kind of arguments, not needed. And for each loop, classical data type for key, that specific x will represent any of these pairs in a moment of time when for each loop run into that specific x. Of course, what is a target? What is appropriate method? I'm not inventing this. This is part of programming languages. A little bit of a report, and then concatenation with a specific number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're gonna also use that x here when we are getting kinda automatically stuff from these people. Easy stuff to remember: remove to delete stuff and clear to totally eliminate all elements. Well, of course, that's it in this tutorial. Thank you for watching. For support and subscription, share this channel with other people, help me, help them. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next one. Ciao.